You put me in the funny of the day. A cat can't do that. That's easier. Oh, I got some filing on. Who does not staple their stuff? Where's my stapler? What in the world? Who put my stapler in Jello? Who put my stapler in Jello? I want to know now or I'm going to freaking explode. Michael?
I don't even know why I walked in there. It was pretty pointless because I got caught.
Michael. What? Hey, how's it going? I want to tell you something. Wait.
Hey, I see you got a Jello. Well, I put Dwight's stapler, I put it in Jello because he wasn't listening to my fire safety course. Which reminds me, if you don't listen to what I'm going about in all the mojo of the fire drill thing in the fire safety week, we're all gonna die.
Stapler and Jello, that's
nice.
Who did that?
That's genius.
Did you do it?
Are you kidding me? Are you? I do. No, shut up.
You're ridiculous. Are you kidding me?
Hey, look at
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
This is real mature.
Yeah, good job. You know, you're all yelling about
yeah, I really did that. You think I really did that?
You know what? I'm gonna call the cops on y'all.
Okay, so anyway, I was hearing about something about a stapler, and then all of a sudden, it was just like Dwight was coming to me and saying that, oh, dang it, freaking copyright infringement, cut. You want something to call the cops about?